Thumbstar Hotel Bar. My hotel's only $15 a night. Always Chinese people everywhere. I love spare ribs. It's good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So flavorful. It is so delicious. They have a 1 pound hamburger. It feels good, rejuvenating. A whiskey girl bar customers. It's kind of crazy. There's Nipsey bar. So, no thank you. Lots of males. This is Cyclone Bar. Here's the wet spot. There's the green room. And then the green room is connected to Alaska. Here is the Hotzone. Bob's Angels Bar. Mr. Bob's Angels Bar. Crazy Bar. Or Crazy Horse. Candy Bar. There's Mugshot. Hello.
Welcome back, everybody. So this episode, I'm going to be taking you on a walking tour of Barrio Barretto. And we're also going to check out a really cool restaurant that has amazing food.
This is the bar here. You can see there. Thumbstar Hotel, Bar, and Resto. And then it's open like from about 5 p.m. to anywhere from like 2 to 3 a.m., sometimes even 4. So that's the bar. And of course, I've just got the girls in there. And now we're gonna go check out a restaurant. So this is Barrio Barretto on a Friday night. Now I scheduled only 3 more nights, which means I'll be leaving on Monday. Oh, I get to go back to the all-you-can-eat buffet at Joe's Cafe, which is exciting. So many places called Joe's, it's crazy. So this is Ico Beach Hotel. Remember though guys, my hotel's only $15 a night, which is a pretty good deal. There's the Lobster Bar. There's Palm Tree Resort. There's massage over there. And that's where we're gonna go today, Wild Herbs. We're gonna check out Wild Herbs today. Lux and the Hangout Sports Bar. So Lux is down there and the Hangout Sports Bar is there. And up there you have Victoria and Whiskey Bar. And we're gonna go here for dinner. There's the Pub Hotel, which is pretty famous. There's Gold Bar. If you make it to Gold Bar, well, hopefully this girl named Julie should still be working there. Traffic is pretty bad here actually. And they don't have enough like crosswalks for crossing the street. You can see the child there, like crossing the street. And I'm probably a bad example, but I need to cross because I need to go here. So this is rated pretty well. I think this might be the last restaurant that we'll go to in this area. I think from tomorrow, we're gonna always just go to Subic Bay. But we're gonna check this one out, okay? We're gonna check this one out, even though it is pretty slow in here, but like I said, the reviews are good, so we're gonna try it, see what it tastes like. So I'll take a look at the menu and I'll let you know.
Have a seat, please.
Thank you. Always Chinese people everywhere. So guys, they told me that the Thai food is the best here. I was looking at getting the, like when I looked at the menu earlier in the week, I was looking at getting the spare ribs. Because I love spare ribs. But they told me that the red Penang beef is the best thing on the menu. So I ordered that, and I ordered the Tom Yum Goong soup because, man, I love that soup with the shrimp. I absolutely love it. So we're gonna try out both of those. I also ordered a Thai tea, so I'll let you know how it tastes. All right, guys, so my Thai tea is here, and it looks legitimate. It looks authentic. So I'm excited to try it. See exactly what it tastes like. Here we go.
Yummy.
It's good. It's good. Authentic. The table's only good for 3 because it already has a 4th person sitting there. Cool place. Tastes as good as the ambiance. All right, guys, there is the soup, the Tom Yum Goong soup. Looks delicious, smells delicious. Very good. I like this thing too. It's nice. Looks good. They even shelled the shrimp. I love it. That you don't see every day. They actually shelled my shrimp. That's pretty good. It looks good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. There is the Penang beef curry right there with a nice creamy sauce. There's the soup. Still dishing myself up some soup here. Thai soup has a bunch of stuff that you probably shouldn't eat in it. I think everything's edible, but like some things you should, but some things you shouldn't eat. Let's let the soup cool down here. I'm going to try a little bit of this beef Penang curry with a little bit of rice. There we go. Sounds good. The beef is very succulent. The sauce is spicy but good, flavorful, not just all spice. It's really got that deep Penang flavor. If you don't know, that's kind of like a darker, like a tomatoey, kind of like a herby kind of taste.
Nice.
That's really good. Very good. Now I see why they have such a good rating. This place has a good rating and deserves a good rating. Unlike last night, Hops and Brews. I mean, maybe I just had something bad there. That was special, which should be the best thing. It was more like a loss leader. All right, we're going to try the soup now. Wow, this place really nails the flavors. This is the Tom Yum Goong soup. I wish there had some coconut milk in it. Looks like it's missing that. But other than the coconut milk, the flavors are very legitimate. The shrimp is also fresh. Very, very good. I don't know which one's my favorite. It's hard to tell. This curry is really good. It's hard to tell. They're both really good. So get the Tom Yum Goong soup with the shrimps. Get the Penang curry with the beef. You cannot go wrong. So check it out, guys. Wild Herbs. It's right here in Barrio Barretto. Really good food. This entire thing here set me back probably about $15, maybe $16. This was like 300 and change. This was 300 and change. And this was like 80. So just say those two are 8, 9. 900 is about $15. Not a bad deal for all of this food. And that came with the rice as well. So check it out, guys. This place is good. This place I highly recommend, especially if you want Thai food. I also want to try their spare ribs, but maybe I'll do that another day before I leave. Tomorrow, though, we're going to Texas Joe's because we're going to check out the mall, the Ayala Mall here at Subic Bay, and we're also going to check out that restaurant because that sounds delicious. They have a 1 pound hamburger, a 1 pound, 16 ounce, 440 gram hamburger at this place called Texas Joe's right on Subic Bay. So I'm going to check it out and hopefully it should be good. But this place also very good. Come here if you love Thai food. You know, I just want to update this. Like this soup is like got the perfect level of spice. Like it's really spicy because I said really spicy, but like it's so flavorful that the spice like hits you, but feels good, you know, like that spice that feels like rejuvenating. That's what this is like. So it's got a rejuvenating spice. By the way, guys, oh my Lord, I am having so much problems finishing this food because there's just too much food here. For $15, this is extremely a good deal. If you're gonna come here, get the 2 dishes, but bring an extra person because seriously, I am stuffed. I am like so stuffed right now. So bring 2 people for $15. And see, I'm not even, I still got lots of soup left in here, guys. We're gonna try our best though. I learned something new here. The owner, which is a very intelligent person, actually both of them, a couple, they told me that the Tom Yum Goong is actually the one that's only sour. So I said, you know, they could add coconut milk, but for an extra 10 pesos they actually do, and it's just the Tom Ka Goong. So it's the exact same thing as the Tom Yum Goong, but they add also some coconut milk, and also he said some of the vegetables in it are a little bit different, but it's only 10 pesos different. So for me, I prefer to have a little bit of the coconut milk in my Tom Yum Goong, even though this is delicious, by the way. But I would recommend this one for only 10 pesos more. So you can get the shrimp one with the coconut milk for $3.95 versus $3.85. But guys, it is amazing. I am so full, and I want to keep eating because it is so delicious. Actually, it's kind of weird because it's actually gotten better the more I've eaten it. Like the more I'm eating it, the better it's like becoming. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's kind of the way it is with Thai food. Thai food needs like time to simmer. like kind of like cool down and like the flavors really be released versus like having like the heat, because sometimes the heat of the food will make the flavors so you can't quite taste them all, and then as the heat goes down, the flavors become more rich and more amplified. It's really an interesting thing. Guys have to come here. I think everything on the menu is going to be good, but these two things are amazing. Check it out, and I'll see you at the next new place. This place here is called Johansson's. I had a split here the other night. It was probably the worst banana split I've ever had in my life. It had horrible ice cream on it. The banana was kind of old, and also even the quantities were not that great. So I'm gonna say a pass on Johansson's. Over there you got Wombat Beach Resort, and here you got Sparrow's Cafe. I rarely see people in here though. And here's the Pub Hotel in Barrio Barretto. And there's the Whiskey Girl Bar. So we're 9 p.m. on a Friday night. It doesn't look that much different than any other night of the week here. I think the tourism is really down here.
This year, however, the island is seeing fewer visitors from South Korea. Comparing arrivals from South Korea from January to June, this year's figures are about half of last year's. One reason for its low tourist arrivals? Costs. On average, the price of a week-long trip to the Philippines costs $100 to $200 more than a holiday to Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand.
There's Shamboli's, which is supposed to be pretty good pizza and ice cream. I don't know. I haven't been there yet. But, you know, all the places here, even like, you know, at prime time, don't have a whole lot of customers. It's kind of crazy. So there's Thumbstar. There's Nipsey Bar. So far, so few. Like, I would say below 10%. Angeles, there's much better to choose from. There's the Central Park from the outside, though. Looks like an impressive hotel, six stories high, but they're big stories. So, no, thank you. Tattoo shop there. But this is a Friday night, guys. A Friday night, and it's pretty abysmally dead. They got clothes shops here. They got the massage here. There are lots of males. Cloud 69's closed down. This is Cyclone Bar. I've never really seen anything here that I like. There's By the Sea. Little alley there. Up here's Sit and Bull. Like, technically you don't need a motorbike to live here. I brought my motorbike from Angeles because I rented it for a month for $7,000. I mean, for $7,000 it's not a bad deal. So there are some guys with girls. She looks actually halfway decent. Maybe a little bit older, but Sit and Bull. Plus, quite expensive, you know, $10 now for here's the wet spot. The wet spot is connected to the green room, and then the green room is connected to Alaska, and then up there is Barcelona, which is like supposed to be Barcelona, and then down here we have Gentleman's Bar. So across the street we have Cheap Charlie's. All of these expat places have a place called Cheap Charlie's. Pretty good name, actually. Here is the Hotzone. I did see a girl named Nicole in here before. She was good. And down there is Mylene's Cafe. All right, so right next to Mylene's Cafe, we have Bob's Angels Bar, Mr. Bob's Angels Bar. And then next door to that we have Crazy Bar, or Crazy Horse Then across we have Candy Bar. And then I think, yeah, up a little ways we have Red Bar. And that's pretty much it. There are a couple other places that are really small, but that's pretty much the end. So there's Red Bar up there, and that's pretty much it. Oh, there's another one up here called Mugshot, but I really haven't seen anything much good in there. It doesn't matter, it's more like a bar, more so than a club with girls. That massage place there, that's next to a place that says bar. I've never even been in there. I'm not even sure what that place is. Here's Bismarck, little like store. And up here we have Red Bar, Mugshot, and yeah, that would be about it. So, not much more busy on a Friday night than any other night of the week. We'll see if Saturday is any difference, but so far every night has pretty much been the same. Seems like to me customers are pretty slim. It looks like you got a lot of like regulars, like people have been here for a while, but like new people, not so much. Not too many tourists, it seems like. You gotta hunt down the pretty ones, and like you have to get here early. I'm actually even out too late tonight. I came out around 6:37, but I ate so much food at that one restaurant that it took me like forever to eat it. And then I'm like walking around, and there's just not a lot of options at this point. There's Mugshots, there's Chang's Music, and you have the one more down there is Red Bar. And that's it. So, hello. There's the Grand Seas. I don't know if tourism will pick up here or not. We are already on like December 5th. So the 5th day of December. Christmas is just 20 days away. You would think the girls here are kind of desperate to make money. Manana Hotel, that seems like a cheap hotel. 21 Massage. It doesn't matter bar. Up here just now there was a bunch of LBs